Time does not slow for hesitation. Dreams die silently when ignored. Create more than you consume. Your future is built by your minutes. Once upon a time, in a small town filled with ordinary lives and quiet dreams, there lived a boy named Rian. He loved colors more than toys, pencils more than games, and blank pages more than screens. His little hands once moved like magic, drawing sunsets brighter than real skies and faces full of life. His parents would find him smiling alone, lost in his own worlds, hands stained with pencil dust and imagination. But as he grew older, the world around him changed. And so did he. Friends teased him for drawing childish things, and slowly, pressure replaced passion. School, society, comparisons, they all whispered that art was useless, that only money mattered. His sketchbook was pushed into a drawer. And then came the phone, the endless scrolling, the shiny world of others doing better. Hours became days. Days became years. Rian watched life instead of living it. Every swipe stole a dream. Every minute wasted carved emptiness in his heart. He laughed online, but cried alone. His soul was starving while time was running, and in the noise of fake perfection, his inner artist suffocated silently, painfully. Then one evening, after losing yet another job for lack of focus and discipline, he sat in his dusty room, surrounded by nothing but regrets. His parents looked at him quietly, love in their eyes, pain in their hearts. They remembered the little boy who drew stars, now lost in digital darkness. Searching for something, anything, Rian opened an old drawer. There it was, his childhood sketchbook, covered in dust, pages yellowed, corners curled like they had been waiting for him. His fingers trembled as he opened it, expecting magic. But instead, empty pages stared back at him, blank, untouched, dreams unwritten. In that moment, something inside him broke. Tears fell, heavy and raw. He cried for the years stolen by comparison, for the time he let slip through his fingers, for the child he abandoned. He whispered through tears, "I wasted my life watching others live theirs." But pain didn't destroy him. It woke him. That night, in silence, he picked up a pencil again. His hand shook, lines were uneven, but he drew one small sketch, a shaky bird rising from ashes, and as graphite touched paper after so long, his heart finally breathed again. If you're enjoying this story, please like this motivational video and subscribe for more inspiring content. Rian made a promise. One sketch a day. No excuses, no more wasted time. At first, drawings were clumsy, hands stiff, confidence broken. He drew while eating, during breaks, late at night, sometimes with tears, sometimes with trembling hope. Friends mocked him. "You're too old to start again." People laughed. "Drawing won't feed you." But pain became fuel. He watched no one, compared with no one, only improved himself. Sunrise to midnight he practiced. While others partied, he drew. While others scrolled, he created. Slowly, painfully, beautifully, his art transformed. His sketches started gaining attention. One day, a small page shared his work, then another. Soon, thousands saw what he created. Struggling artists messaged him saying, "You gave me hope." Rian cried again, not from regret, but from rebirth. He began teaching online, not perfection, but discipline. Not talent, but time. He became a silent storm, gentle, unstoppable. His once abandoned dream now lifted others from darkness. And the boy who wasted years staring at screens now built a world where others could dream again. Years passed. Rian became one of the most beloved illustrators on the planet, known not for fame, but for soul. His art hung in galleries worldwide, but his favorite place was still that small desk by the window where he returned to pencil dust and memories. One day, in a packed auditorium, a young girl asked, "Sir, how did you become so great?" He smiled softly, eyes gentle and scarred by time. "I'm not great," he said. "I just stopped watching life and started living it." He told them how one blank page saved him, how one decision rebuilt his life, and when he returned home, he opened that old sketchbook again. The untouched pages were now filled with masterpieces. He held it to his heart, grateful, humbled, healed. He whispered to his younger self, "Thank you for waiting." The world did not remember his wasted years. It remembered his comeback, because dreams don't die, they wait. But time does not. And Rian proved that even broken beginnings can lead to magnificent endings if you dare to use your minutes wisely. Moral of the story: don't waste your life watching others live theirs. Small, consistent effort builds empires. Distraction destroys dreams. Time is the most expensive currency. Spend it creating, not comparing. Your future is written by the minutes you choose to invest today. Rian's journey is not just a story. It is a mirror, a reflection of every dream we once held in our hearts before the world told us to grow up, before society convinced us that imagination is weakness and routine is life. We all have a sketchbook inside us. Maybe not with drawings, but with ideas, talents, hopes, and forgotten beginnings. Pages we plan to fill tomorrow, until tomorrow kept running away. Time does not stop, not for fear, not for doubt, not for hesitation. And just like Rian, many of us spend precious years scrolling through other people's success instead of building our own. We celebrate strangers and silently bury our own spark. But the truth is simple. Dreams do not disappear. They wait. They wait until the pain of staying the same becomes heavier than the fear of changing. Rian wasn't gifted with supernatural talent. He wasn't lucky. He was someone who got tired of wasting time, someone who realized that disappointment hurts less than regret, and progress feels better than procrastination. You don't need the perfect moment. You don't need approval. You need one thing: to start. Like this video and subscribe to the channel Voice of Victory, where we turn silent dreams into roaring triumphs. Your comeback starts now.